This song I'm going to sing for you guys is called My Last Dying Breath. I wrote this for my beautiful wife. She's the strongest woman I know, so I hope you guys enjoy it. It goes a little like this. I saw you crying last night. Watched the tears fall like stars from your eyes. You don't need me to fix it, just need a minute. Someone to be by your side. I see the love that you give each time I look in the eyes of our kids. I'm always reminded how beautiful life is and how much this time is to give. If you ever get the feeling you're falling apart, you can. Give me the doubts in your head, and I'll hold on the pain in my chest. Let me carry your weight on my shoulders. Let me carry it over and over till there's nothing, till there's nothing, till there's nothing. So give me doubts in your head, and I'll hold all the pain in my chest. Let me carry your weight on my shoulders. Let me carry it over and over till there's nothing left. To my last time.